Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to download and install HP LaserJet P1106 printer driver in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, we need to proceed at the button search bar, and from here, please type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, please wait until a best match would appear, and once it's here, please double tap to continue. Now, if two Google Chrome window is appearing here, please close the other one so that we can focus on this one, okay? So we just have to wait until the search bar will be ready, and once it is being set here, please type for HP LaserJet space P1106 space driver. Once you've typed it, please hit the enter key so that you would be redirected to the result. So please proceed with the first result. Okay, click on it. In the moment you do it, you would be redirected to this HP LaserJet Pro P1106. All you need to do is you need to scroll down and proceed to this one where you can select your software and drivers below. So please click this down arrow next under aligning this driver product installation software. And from that moment on, you would be able to see this one. So from here, you can see there a download option. Please click on it, and eventually it will now begin the downloading process. So to keep on track the download progress, all you need to do is you need to proceed at the upper right side of that, click this download icon, and you would be able to keep on track the download progress. So we just have to wait until this would be successfully downloaded before we can proceed to the installation. Once it is being downloaded, click this folder icon to show it in folder, and you will be redirected to the location where it is being placed or saved to. By that, click this cut icon at the top of that and close the window as well as this, and do a right click here at the desktop and go with this paste icon. So once you have successfully pasted it here at the desktop, please do a right click on it, and here you need to scroll down and wait until this option would be available. Here it's still loading, and once it is being available, please click on this extract to. So eventually it will now start on the extraction process. We just have to wait until it will be successfully extracted here at the desktop. Once it has been extracted, this new folder would show up at the desktop. All you need to do is you need to proceed to the start icon. Please do a right click and then scroll up and click on settings. So from here, please navigate to the left pane of that where you can see a list of the option. Please locate with Bluetooth and devices. And here at the Bluetooth and devices settings, you need to proceed with this option called devices. And from here, please scroll down and locate with related settings where you can see more devices and printer settings. So click on it, and the moment you do that, you would be able to show up the devices and printers. And at the left top of it, you can see there, add a printer. Click on it. Okay. And this window will show up here. Please navigate to the bottom side where you can see the printer that I want isn't listed. So it will allow you to find a printer by other options. Please select the fifth, which is the local printer or network printer with manual settings. Go with next. Click this down arrow key and select among of these three. So it could be USB 001, 2, or 3. In my case, I'll be selecting the USB 001. Once you're good, go with next. Okay. And from here, go with have disk. And please click on so that you would be able to locate the file. So from here, we need to move on to our next desktop, and please scroll down and go with this one. So double tap to it. Okay, and you need to scroll down once again. It will show you the driver here. So you can choose among of these three since this three driver functions similarly. Okay, so once you have selected one of those, click on open and go with OK. So eventually you will be able to see all of the available printers for HP LaserJet. All you need to do is you need to scroll down and locate with HP LaserJet for P1106. So please click on next, and it will now start on the installation. So once done, if you would like to allow for printer sharing, turn this on. And if you don't want to, you can turn the other one on, which is being placed at the first option. Go with next. And if you would like to set it as your default printer, you can check the box. In my case, I don't want to. That's why I'm leaving it unchecked. Go with finished, and there you have that. You have just successfully installed the HP LaserJet P1106 in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So from that on, you can now close the window as well as this, and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.